ಆ ಕಡೆ ಕರೀತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಜಗಪತಿ ದಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. हरे कृष्ण जय जगन्नाथ स्वामी।
जगन्नाथ स्वामी ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ನೋಡೋಣ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ.
हरे 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 राम हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। जय जगन्नाथ। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा माई की। Extend a very warm welcome to all the devotees, all the Seva Kartas, all the online devotees who have joined us today, this evening for the wonderful Jagannath Baldev Subhadra Snana Yatra Festival. So in just a few moments we shall begin the once in a year special event of the bathing ceremony, the ceremonial bath of their lordships. A brief history of this Snana Yatra. The worship of the Lordship Sri Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra follows in the tradition of the Puri Jagannath temple. As per this tradition, in the month of Jeshta, on the Purnima Tithi, that is today, before the Rath Yatra festival, Jagannath, Baldev and Subhadra are given a ceremonial bath called the Snana Yatra festival. Every other day also they receive a bath, but that's called a Chaya Abhishek. They directly do not get paid, but the reflection is paid. But today is the Snana Yatra, an actual bath. And after the yearly Snana Seva, that is after today's bath, Lord Jagannath enters his pastime of falling sick. And he goes into the Ekanta mood. There will be no darshan of the deities during this period for the next 2 weeks. And after 2 weeks, after 15 days, the Lord comes out of the temple and proceeds to participate in his next grand Rath Yatra pastime. This time we'll have a special Rath Yatra event. You can see the 3 Rathas stationed here. The deities will go around their Rathas. So the Lord's activities are all mystical and cannot be fathomed by ordinary mortals. We should just be blessed that somehow by the causeless mercy of Srila Prabhupada, we have been able to offer him our insignificant service. Today, their Lordship, Shri Nitai Gauranga, will also be witnessing the Abhishek. We have Lord Nitai Devi also from the main temple. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu stayed 18 years in Puri Jagannath temple. He is none other than Lord Jagannath himself. So Mahaprabhu will also be here along with Srila Prabhupada. So the Abhishek, you've seen many Abhisheks at our temple, and this is also going to be a grand Maha Abhishek. But along with that, the extra special for today's Abhishek is that our devotees have arranged 50 special medicinal herbal water with which Lord Jagannath will be bathed, which makes the water, this will make the water very special and very cooling. And some of those special herbs are Pancha Pallava, Lavancha, Pippali, and special soils like Gagana Mritika, it's called the sky soil, and Ganga Mritika, Ganges soil, Nadi Dvikula Mritika, Nadi Dvikula, that is soil collected from 2 sides of a river, and many special items like this. So these are some of the items apart from they being made with Panchamrita, Panchagavya, fruit juices, tender coconuts, and many other items. So in just a short while we will begin. Our devotees will be doing bhajans and kirtans. I request all the devotees seated here to please wholeheartedly join us in singing the bhajans and kirtans while watching the Abhishek.
ब्रह्मण्यो देवने पुत्रो ब्रह्मण्यो मरुत्सुरो धर्मभूतस्त्वमेकं नारायणं कारणरूपमकारपरब्रह्मो वेदो सर्वशिरो योगीते कालकलीयागो न प्राकृतं पापम्
Water Abhishek, 50 different herbs mixed in water, and now that we have collected that Abhishekam Prasadam water, 3 devotees will be coming around the 3 aisles and you will be receiving this Prasadam Abhishek water on your head. They will be coming out and Jagannath Mandir Subramanian ki. Abhishek will continue because we don't want to spend more time. So please leave space for devotees to come through. They will be coming in the aisles and sprinkling water on your head. Hare Krishna.